Hello, what's up guys? Profit and Nature over here, and I hope you're doing great today. So yesterday I did a market breakdown on gold and what I was expecting gold to do this week, and actually the market did play out exactly as I expected, guys. So let me show you on the previous video that I did yesterday what we're looking at. So this is what I did on yesterday's video. This one is very clear. So today I'm expecting the market maybe to come up to this area, because after breaking below this area I expect it to come and retest maybe this area before we continue going downwards. But if that doesn't happen, still it's okay. If that doesn't happen, still it's okay. We wait for the market to break below this area down here. Wait for this market to break below this area down here. Then let me draw this area. So I'll be waiting for the market to break below this area down here. After breaking below this area down here, then I'll take my sell. I take my sell at this point, and my take profit one will be around this area. This will be my take profit one, and this will be my take profit two. But I can still hold these entries because I'm expecting the market to go all the way to this neckline on the daily time frame down here. So still I may hold some of these entries, but it's safe for you to close your entries at this moment, because the market is on an uptrend. And so yeah guys, after I did that analysis, you can already see the market is moving smoothly to a direction, because today as you can already see, the market has given us about actually 300 pips, and if you're trading gold, those are so many pips, guys. So yeah, so today the market has already given us around 299 pips. That almost 300 pips, guys. So I'm gonna do an analysis and show you what I'm expecting further the market to be doing this week. I'll just zoom this market in so that you can be able to see these structures clearly, guys. And also I want to explain to you what I saw before taking this trade. You see, the market was on a downtrend, and from the bigger time frame, when we look at the bigger time frame, the market was giving us these. Let me go to the daily time frame so that I can show you guys. From the daily time frame, the market had already given us this bearish engulfing candlestick at this point here. It had already given us this bearish engulfing candlestick at this point here, showing us that there's a potential of this market continuing to push to the downside. After giving us this bearish engulfing candlestick, in the lower time frame, the market started giving us this pullback over here. So after the market giving us this pullback over here, as you can already see in the 4 hour time frame, the market did break below this area. Let me go to the 4 hour time frame and show you what the market did, guys. In the 4 hour time frame, you can already see the market broke below this correction area. So the moment I saw the market has already broken below this correction area, I started looking for my entries, guys. So I went down to the 1 hour time frame, because I told you guys I normally take my entries in the 1 hour time frame. So I went down to the 1 hour time frame to see if I can get a clear entry there. So I normally wait for the market for this candlestick to close right below this area before I take my entry. So I did wait for the market to close below this area right here. After closing below this area, I took my entry at this point, and as you can already see right now, we are still floating in profit. This was my take profit 1 at this point, and this is my take profit 2 down here. So the market had already come almost just, I mean, it missed to take profit 2 with at least 1 pip, but as you can already see, the market still pushing downwards. So we have the possibility of the market hitting this take profit 2 at this point right here and continuing to push downwards. And actually guys, when the market has already given you 300 pips, there's no point of you continuing to being greedy and staying in the market. You can just take partial profit and go home, or you can just close all those entries, because 300 pips are just very good for the week, guys. So still, I'm expecting the market to continue pushing downwards, but we'll be expecting some pullbacks, because the market can't go all the way down here without those kind of pullbacks. So we'll be expecting some kind of pullbacks before the market continues to push downwards. Okay, actually, let me show you in the 4-hour time frame what kind of pullbacks I expect, and what I expect the market to be doing in what areas. So in the daily time frame, I mean in the 4-hour time frame, I expect the market to start giving us pullbacks at this area down here, because there is a support. There's a support below this area down here. I expect the market to give us this some kind of pullbacks below this area before it continues with this downtrend meanwhile for some time. So the market might do something like this at this point. At this point, the market might do something like this. Let me use the other drawing tool. This one, the market might do something like this, break below this area, come back to retest, then give us that kind of pullback. Then it continues to push downward, guys. Continues to push all the way downward. Maybe then it comes all the way to this area, give us that structure, then continue pushing downwards. So that's what I'm expecting this market to be doing right now. As you can already see, we are on this support. We are on this support down here. So if the market does break below this area, we'll be expecting to be looking for more sales, but we'll have to wait for these the market to give us a correction, because if you take this entry at this point, you can see already the market is near this area down here, which is a key area. If you can see from the previous, there's another support down here, guys. There's another support down here. So if you do take your entry at this point, which means you should take your profit at this area down here, but this will be a very risky trade, because you expect the market after breaking below that support, you expect a pullback before it continues to go down. So maybe what I'm expecting this market to do is maybe it will come back to this point. I'm expecting to come up to this point, then it will bounce back probably to test this resistance up here, give us that double top, then we continue pushing downwards, guys. So that's what I'm expecting this market to be doing. This is what I'm expecting this market to be doing this week. Yeah, so I'm still holding some entries that I did take on this entry, and I'm going to look at another pair, guys, that actually I took some few entries. Though I normally don't trade these pairs, but I saw this opportunity was too good, so and I decided to take advantage of this. So this is a UD card, guys. This is a UD card, As you can already see from, let me show you from the daily time frame, because I normally told you guys I do take my entries from bigger time frames going all the way down to the smaller time frame to look for my entries. So from the bigger time frame, that's the daily time frame, this market was pushing down. From this area we can see we were on this downtrend, this impulse move. After this impulse move, the market gave us this correction. The market gave us this correction over here. After giving us this correction, we had this small impulse move again. We had this correction. So right now what's happening, guys, we are on this correction, and actually when we look, let me delete this one first. And actually when you look at this correction, let me just expand this chart so that you can see clearly. And when we look at this correction, there's something here, guys. The market has given us this head and shoulder. The market has given us this head and shoulder, which is a beautiful sign that the market may continue pushing to the downside. So I was expecting the market to come all the way up here to retest this area, maybe before it continues to go downward, but it didn't come all the way up there. Instead it gave me this beautiful head and shoulder at this point. So after seeing this point, the market doing this, I went down to the lower time frame and tried to see what the market is doing. So I went down to the 4-hour time frame. I went down to the 4-hour time frame and tried to understand what the market is doing, guys. So going down to the 4-hour time frame, you can already see the market broke below this upward channel. The market broke below this upward channel. It broke below this upward with the bearish, a strong bearish candlestick. Then I did take my entries at this point right here. Then my stop loss will be right above this area. So I'm expecting the market to push all the way to this area. Maybe this will be my take profit one before it continues, maybe going all the way down here. So I'll take my take profit at this point, because there is a strong support at this area down here, which I expect the market to be playing along that area for some time, before it continues showing us what next. So that's all for today, guys, and this is Profit and Edge signing out, guys. So see you in the next video. Adios.